name is Sarah, if you don't already know this. If you are new, hi, welcome. This channel of mine is filled with furniture flips. I upload every Wednesday at 3 o'clock. If you like this video, consider subscribing. That would be amazing. Do all the things, right? The things that everyone says to do. Click the notification bell and you'll get notified every time I upload. And that would help me out so much. And if you're returning, hey guys, I'm just so thankful for all of you. Actually, I just want to stop before I run into this video and introduce it and just honestly say how grateful I am for you guys. I was talking to a follower the other day and just saying to her, the thing that has caught me by surprise is the interaction with you guys, the people. I love furniture flipping, but making videos and interacting with you guys is fast becoming my favorite thing about this channel. So I really am. When I say I'm grateful and I'm thankful for you guys, I really do mean that. This dresser, it was for a very special client, and that client is me. My little girl, my daughter, and she had a very specific, special idea of what she wanted. So much so she drew me a, can you see this? This is a before.
And there's so much stuff.
It used to be her brother's dresser, and we're handing it down to her. And she drew me an after. So she had a very specific idea of what she wanted, the colors that she wanted, and it was so much fun, you guys. I got to do some blending and I got to do some shopping with Hope, and she picked all of the handles, and they're different handles for each drawer, and it matches each color on the drawer. And it was a lot of fun. With that, let's get into it. Whoop. It is 32 degrees Celsius outside. It is hot. What better way to spend a relaxing Sunday than in your cold basement with a piece of furniture? It does not need any repairs, which is so fun. Gives me a little break. I'm gonna take a 120 sanding pad and I'm going to just run it over the edges and the top of the, I don't know what the official name is, but things that the drawers slide in on because it was sticking in some of the places. So I'm gonna sand these. That should help them slide a bit better. Girls Big Mama's butter in orange. It smells amazing. So I'm going to put it on these things. The Zinza Bullseye primer, and I'm basically just going in on this with a primer because I don't want any bleed through. I'm concerned about bleed through. I am doing most of the top, and probably the first drawer is going to be in Tea Rose, which is a dusty pale pink. Then the second colour is going to be Lucky Lavender, but I'm going to add to it buttermilk to lighten it up. And the third color is going to be Antebellum Blue, and same thing. I'm going to add buttermilk, buttercream, not buttermilk, to lighten them up. I'm going to put a base coat down of the three colors and maybe do a little bit of blending, not a lot, just a little crossing over of the colors, of the three colors. But mostly the top is going to be all the dusty pink. I'm going to bring the pink down to about here, do the purple to about here, and then the green all the way down. So let's try to recreate this picture that my daughter loves. Oh, I hope I can do it, but wish me luck. I'm having a crack at it anyway. I want brush strokes. I want it to be like a chalky textured finish, and so I'm going to go in every which direction. Guys, I hope my daughter likes it. That's the real test. We need a brush for each of the colors. I have three colors. So I have a pink, purple, and the teal. And then you need a brush, a rag, and a water bottle. And this brush is for blending. Whee! I'm going to go in and really make sure that the part where I'm going to blend is wet. I've got patches of pink in the purple, which I'm just experimenting. So alright, so now both areas are wet, and I'm just going to come in and do circles. Feel like your paint is drying out, you can also spray on your piece and it'll reactivate the chalk paint, and then it'll be easier to blend. But I think I'm doing okay. Spoke too soon. This blending stuff is fun. Fun, fun, fun. Bell's gator hide on the top just to protect it. We'll see how much we have, because I don't have much left at all. I may have enough to do the entire piece, but we'll see. If not, I'm going to do wax on the body and just this on the top. way you want. Like that?
Yeah. Where did it go?
What? The wash up? Oh, look at that one. Look at the light shining through it. That's so cute.
Do you like my different handles?
I love it. It's so you. The big question is, though, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's all that matters. Because it's just paint. If you didn't like it, we could just paint over it. But it's very you.
I especially like these ones, and they go with the purple.
They do. This dresser has so much personality, and I have to say it matches my daughter's personality to perfection. The blending and the different handles is just personality plus, and that is how I would sum up my daughter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna just insert whatever next week's piece is, because honestly I'm not sure what next week's piece is. So here's the teaser. And I hope to catch you guys on that video next week. Bye guys. I'm Sarah. Welcome. There's somebody walking down the stairs. My crazy family. I'm being serenaded. We're all being serenaded while I'm doing this outro.